Hello everybody, this is Francis Hoogstenbach, the founder and inventor of the Mannavibes Xtal app, and I'm here with Lisa Audy. Lisa was one of the early users of, at that time, the Quoravita app, and Lisa is a health professional. She is a nutritionist. Lisa, can you tell us a little bit about your job and your role, how you coach people in their health journey?
Absolutely. So yes, I'm a health coach and nutritionist, a functional nutritionist. I have a food as medicine approach to healthcare. We, as nutritional therapy practitioners, treat the root cause of health conditions through real food. Again, food is medicine. So rather than throwing sort of medication at the symptoms, we like to figure out what's causing the problem in the first place, and a lot of times it's deficiencies, nutritional deficiencies that we just try to address. So, yeah.
Well, the holistic approach is something Mannavibes fully resonates with. And now, what did motivate you to try an unconventional system like frequencies generated from a mobile phone and put into a crystal emitter and holding that to your body? What kind of made you do that?
That's a good question. Actually, I have to confess, I was fortunate enough to meet you at the health club that I was working at as a nutritionist back then. It was about 2018, early 2018.
I said 2017 even.
Yeah, and I was having surgery in January of 2018, and I was telling you about my surgery. We were talking, and I said I'll be, going into surgery in a few days, and it was I had a disc replaced in my cervical spine, and so it was pretty invasive surgery at the at that level, and I had a disc replaced and some titanium plates put in. I had some bone spurs removed. They moved some things around in there so they could get they went in through the front, and so it was pretty invasive.
Yeah,
and
indeed.
You mentioned to me the crystal at the time, and you suggested I try it for healing purposes, and not knowing anything about it, or
we knew that PEMF was research for wound recovery, so also surgery recovery. It was definitely worthwhile to see what the benefit would be for you.
Sure. And so either you lent me yours, or you let me borrow one. And while I was recovering, a day or so after the surgery, I sort of it was bandaged up here, but I sort of would run the crystal along my incision, and I would relax and just kind of keep it here on my neck and run. Don't remember actually the function I was using at that time.
I think it was pain relief, maybe tension and chill. These combination of these three.
So, to my pleasant surprise, and when I say this, I actually, I realize it sounds a little crazy, but within 2 days, I was off my pain medication. So to me, that was a very important, goal that I had, was to not need to be on the pain medication for a particular length of time, which is important. Otherwise, for me, it wasn't something I wanted. So by the second or third day, somewhere between there, I was completely pain-free. I no longer needed to take those pharmaceutical drugs. That alone was very profound for me.
Well, thank you for sharing that significant result with us. And since that, you continue to use the app. For what purpose do you generally use it?
So now it's a different app, right? It's the Mannavibes app, which is
the Mannavibes app, indeed.
Some different settings, and I think the chill one is the one that I use the most now.
Yeah.
And then for me, it's just in times of sort of stress, anxiety. Maybe I'm not getting enough sleep, or maybe I just need to kind of, just feel a little more calm. I'll place the app here and just put the chill setting on for about 15 minutes or something. Other times, I've recently just used it when I kind of had an upset stomach, and I just placed it there in my stomach.
And the stomach and the chest are very good areas to connect the frequencies with your body and let the body do the rest, and getting the little catalyzing frequency impulses.
Yeah, it was lovely. So it's very calming. It's just, it's just nice to know that you have this little piece of equipment that can really do so much and help you feel better.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing that with the other users, Lisa, and inviting me here at this wonderful setting to do this recording.
You're welcome. Thank you. Thank you so much.